A storm track weather alert day is in effect for tomorrow as I'm tracking the threat for severe storms as we get into early afternoon and evening. All of mid-Missouri in a level 3 out of 5 severe risk for tomorrow. Off to the north and south, we have 2 areas in a level 4, and that's where we'll have the highest risk of seeing a couple of strong tornadoes. But still can't rule out that risk across mid-Missouri. Here's the threat breakdown. Main concern would be 60 to 80 mile per hour straight line winds as storms could form into a line. Getting into the afternoon, possibly seeing quarter to golf ball size hail. Few tornadoes possible, especially right along the leading edge of that line. Not expecting any flooding with these storms as they're going to be racing quickly to the east. Here's the setup. Tracking a warm front that's lifted to our north that's bringing in a lot warmer air. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-70s tomorrow. Chance for a few showers and spotty storms overnight as that cluster from the southwest starts to move in. Here's what it looks like at 6 a.m. tomorrow. On our ABC 17 Storm Track Future Track, we'll start out at 6 a.m. with 60 degrees. So it's going to be very muggy, warm, and windy. Getting into the afternoon, if we can break up some of that cloud cover, we'll have plenty of instability for storms to feed off of. These storms will intensify quickly if they do pop up across our area ahead of the front. By 3 o'clock, we'll start to see these moving into central portions of our area from about Macon to Jefferson City. And then getting into the late afternoon, showers and storms quickly race to the east. And that severe weather threat drops by about 7 o'clock. But we'll still be tracking some strong winds behind that cold front. We're going to see wind gusts up to around 50 miles per hour overnight into Saturday morning. It's going to be a chilly start to the weekend, too, with temperatures in the 30s on Saturday to start off the day. The afternoon is breezy. We'll have some more sunshine. Temperatures make it up into the low to mid 50s, and we'll have a drier but warmer Sunday on tap. We're going to be getting back up to about 70 degrees. We have a wind advisory in effect through midday Saturday. That goes into effect tomorrow afternoon for the entirety of mid-Missouri. And that's because wind gusts are going to be picking up quite a bit, up to around 40 to 50 miles per hour. So tomorrow, before those storms arrive, want to avoid any outdoor burning as we'll have an elevated fire risk too. A red flag warning up for the western half of the area. Here's what those wind gusts look like. Getting into tomorrow afternoon, we'll stop here at 4 o'clock. The winds are going to be anywhere from around 35 to almost 45 miles per hour. Not too much of a break overnight. Strong winds will continue as that low pressure works its way out. Finally seeing those winds start to ease by Saturday night, getting down to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the weekend forecast. We're going to be a little chillier behind this cold front on Saturday, only making it up to about 54. Sunday is much warmer, a nice end to the weekend. Still somewhat breezy, but we're making it up to about 71 degrees. Now next week, I'm going to be tracking a very similar setup. Early in the week, we'll have another strong low pressure system that moves across the plains. That's going to bring us a chance for some storms, especially on Tuesday. Tuesday, I'm expecting to be the warmest day of next week as we get close to 80 degrees. We'll have a lot of instability in place, and if our cold front comes through at the right time, there will be a chance for severe storms across a lot of the region. Right now, the highest risk looks to be just to our south across southern Missouri and into much of Arkansas. Here's our ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. That weather alert day is in effect from noon to 8 tomorrow. Once the storm chance is clear, we'll be chillier for Saturday, but breezy. The wind advisory will continue through midday Saturday. High temperatures make it into the 50s. We're back into the 70s by Sunday with storm chances returning early next week.